We can think about these sites as important because the services that they provide wildlife and our communities.
Getting to know Blanco wetlands and working for the BLM, I've really discovered how many animal species we have here.
In terms of the landscape, they're really some of the wildest places in the state. With a little bit of help, these ecosystems can really be elevated and we can do some good work together.
I'm excited to prove up that partnership on the ground works and investment in our public lands works for everyone.
The partnership with BLM, with all of our Fish and Wildlife Service, all of our federal partners, state partners, it's so important.
We've been working with BLM for almost 30 years on wetland conservation.
We're in partnership with the other agricultural users in the valley, saying we're all in this sustainability game together.
We're getting a lot done up here, or have the ability to get a lot done just because we have a good groundswell of partnership up here.
I mean, this is the embodiment of, I think, the work we do out here of the BLM multi-use mission, all coming together.
I don't think it's all that typical in the West to have water community, farmers, ranchers, and government agencies working together. We're just so much stronger by pooling our resources, and I think the things that we've been able to accomplish here because of those partnerships is really unparalleled.
I think there's a lot of opportunity to build onto that, build more partnerships, and really create some lasting results here.
We love public lands.